Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Organize, Fix and Manage, or Manage and Fix in this case. Oh, no, never mind, sorry. I misled you. There we go, Manage SIM. Now, once you select this, it will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now you can see that more than half of those is just deselected for me, and I can't select it if I try. And the reason for that is, technically all these contacts already exist on the HardReset Google account, which the device is defaulting to. If you have a Google account signed in, that's what it will default to. Now you can also see that this is a drop-down menu, so you can click on it and select the device. And when you do, it automatically allows you to import all the contacts. Now if you have more than one Google account or any kind of account here, they should also be listed in the drop-down menu, so you can choose whichever one you want. Additionally, you can obviously deselect contacts that you don't want, and from there, click on Import. It will ask you the stupidest question if you want to delete these contacts that are stored on your SIM card. I do not recommend doing so, as these contacts don't get in your way ever, and they are just a nice, backup in case you ever need it. So I would recommend keeping it. From there, you can navigate back to contacts, and depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. Right now, the phone is showing contacts from a Google account, which you can see right over here. Or actually, no, never mind, it's showing all contacts, which you can see right here. The reason I get messed up is because there has been change in the contacts by Google, so I don't know, some devices still have the old one where you can choose the display location here, some have it down here. Whichever one you have, just you can select it, and if you see the option to change it to some other locations like SIM card or device or so on, then that's basically where you will have to do this. And in the case for me, you can see I have imported my devices, my contacts to the device, and that is visible right here. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.